Hello, I'd like to give you a quick field review of an item I just purchased, and it's the Karcher 3.450 1800 PSI pressure washer, electric pressure washer. Anyway, got this machine and didn't have a lot of expectations for it because I've always used the gas models, 3100 PSI plus gas models, and so I decided to go with this smaller unit for woodwork and for cars and cleaning the house and stuff, that'd be less toxic on the wood and stuff. And been using it to clean the deck off here, and been quite surprised with the results of it. Much better than I thought. Anyway, let me give you a quick show of what I've done here. Here's a section here that I just did in about 2 or 3 minutes here. You can see it does a very good job of cleaning decks. And anyway, the unit comes with 2 nozzles. One of them is your standard wand type nozzle, and it's variable pressure. It goes from from the trickle up to 1800 psi, and that's the one you use mostly for wood and house and siding and stuff. And it's got another one that's right here, and it's like a power booster type thing. It shoots a needle type spray in a round circle, and it's good for concrete work, and it'll boost up your pressure to equivalent of about 3000 psi. And anyway, you would want to use that for woodwork. But what I really like about this unit is that it doesn't, you don't have to worry about it when you're not using it or idling, like a gas one does when you're not actually using it. You have to worry about running your pump when you're idling it down. And this one, the motor doesn't come on until you actually pull the trigger, and it doesn't wear your back out either, because you're not fighting the huge pressure from a large machine. And so I can get a lot of work done on this thing. And let me give you a little short demonstration of how it works here. And I just pull it off, and I got it all hooked up here. You can see this right here is your high pressure output. This is your water intake, and it's got a switch here. The off switch is up, and on to the right there is for your pressure. And anyway, it's got quick connects on it, real handy. And anyway, let me just pull the trigger here. This is your low spray. That would be really good for for putting on soap and washing cars and stuff like that. And you just it's got a device here that you just spin that from minimum to max, and I'll show you that right here. Just spin that over to max, and we'll try it out here. I'll show you. Anyway, really like this machine. I think I'll get a lot of use out of it. So if you're looking for a machine, don't want to spend a whole bunch of money on a gas unit, and don't have to worry about bad carburetors and gas and noise and everything, and the bad back when you get finished using it, check out this little Karcher electric machine. I think you'll like it. Bye bye.